Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your Gmail name step by step. Changing your Gmail name updates the display name that recipients see when you send them emails. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Gmail. Sign in to your Google account if you haven't already. Once you're in Gmail, click the settings icon in the top right corner of the screen. From the Quick Settings panel, click See All Settings. Next, click the Accounts and Import tab at the top of the page. Under the Send Mail As section, locate your Gmail address. Click Edit Info next to your email address. A small window will appear. Select the text field containing your current display name. Delete the existing name and enter the new name you want to use. Once you've entered your new name, click Save Changes. Your new display name will now be used whenever you send emails from that Gmail account. To verify the change, compose a new email and check the sender name before sending it. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Gmail name. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Gmail tutorials and productivity tips. See you in the next video.